We'll guide you through how to install Dropbox on Ubuntu. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl, Alt, and T on your keyboard. Next, you'll need to download the Dropbox package. Type in the command get-o-dropbox.deb link and press Enter. This will ensure you're getting the latest version. Once the download is complete, you'll want to install the package by typing sudo dpkg-i dropbox.deb and hit Enter. If there are any dependency issues, you can resolve them by running sudo apt-get install-f. This will automatically correct any package dependencies. Now that Dropbox is installed, you can launch it by typing Dropbox Start in the terminal. The Dropbox application will begin syncing, and you might see a new Dropbox icon in your system tray. Click on it to open the Dropbox app and log in with your existing account or create a new one. If you don't see the icon, you might need to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Keep in mind that Dropbox will create a folder in your home directory where all your files will sync. You can manage your files just like any other folder on your system. It's that simple to get Dropbox up and running on your Ubuntu system. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.